To link a bank account on Cash App, start by opening the application on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon located on the top left corner of the screen. Then select Link Banks from the menu. If you have not already, you will need to create a Cash App account and verify your identity. Next, tap on Link Bank and choose your bank from the list of available options. If your bank is not listed, you can manually add it by selecting Other and then entering the routing and account numbers. Enter the required login credentials for your bank account, which may include your username and password. Cash App will then verify the information and link your bank account. Alternatively, you can also use the instant verification method if your bank supports it. This method allows Cash App to instantly verify your account information without having to enter your login credentials. Once your bank account is linked, you can use it to fund your Cash App account, make payments, and transfer money to other users. Make sure to review the transaction limits and fees associated with your linked bank account to avoid any unexpected charges. It is also important to note that Cash App uses encryption and other security measures to protect your bank account information. However, it is still crucial to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Cash App support. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Cash App and start taking advantage of the app's features. Remember to always prioritize security and only link accounts that you own and control.